When it comes to choosing a car, reliability is one of the most critical factors to consider. No one wants to spend their hard-earned money on a vehicle that's going to be a headache. Unfortunately, not all cars live up to their promises. Based on data from Consumer Reports, we've rounded up the 10 least reliable cars that you'd be wise to steer clear of. Let's count down and see which vehicles you should avoid at all costs. Number 10. 2022 Volkswagen Taos. Starting off our list is the sleek yet problematic Volkswagen Taos. While it may look modern and stylish, its reputation for reliability is anything but. Owners report frequent engine stalls, even at stoplights or while driving on highways. Making it more than just an inconvenience, it's downright dangerous. The Taos also suffers from excessive oil consumption, requiring constant top-ups between fuel stops. Adding to its woes is a transmission prone to harsh shifting and internal failure. These issues can lead to regular trips to the repair shop and quickly drain your wallet. While its technology and design may attract buyers, these persistent problems significantly reduce its appeal. With a shockingly low reliability score of 5 out of 100 from Consumer Reports, the Taos issues overshadow its attractive design and modern features, making it a car to avoid for anyone seeking peace of mind. Number 9. 2015 Nissan Sentra. The Nissan Sentra was once a dependable choice for small sedans, but the 2015 model veered off track. Plagued by early transmission failures, some owners have reported issues as soon as 40,000 miles. The symptoms are hard to miss: jerky power delivery, loud grinding noises, and total transmission failure. The continuously variable transmission is particularly prone to failure, often leaving owners with repair costs exceeding $4,000. These issues not only make the driving experience unpleasant, but also pose a safety risk. The car's poor reliability score of 22 out of 100 from Consumer Reports reflects these recurring problems. While the Sentra may seem like a budget-friendly option at first glance, its long-term maintenance costs and frustrations make it a risky investment. If you're searching for a compact, fuel-efficient car, it's best to explore other options that won't leave you stranded on the road. Number 8. 2018 Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler has been a favorite among off-road enthusiasts for years, but the 2018 model is riddled with problems. Engine oil leaks, coolant contamination, and overheating issues are just the beginning. These defects often lead to catastrophic engine damage if not addressed promptly. The oil cooler is a particular weak point, and frequent leaks can cause overheating, leading to costly repairs or complete engine failure. Add to that frequent electrical malfunctions that cause misfires or complete engine stalls, and you've got a vehicle that's more trouble than it's worth. Owners also report issues with the Wrangler's infotainment system, which frequently glitches or stops working entirely. While the Wrangler's rugged design and off-road capabilities are appealing, its long list of mechanical and electrical problems undermines its reputation. With a reliability score of 11 out of 100, this rugged-looking SUV is surprisingly fragile underneath. Number 7. 2021 Ford Escape. The 2021 Ford Escape promises innovation and style, but delivers disappointment instead. Its 8-speed automatic transmission is a major weak point, with drivers reporting rough shifting, failure to engage all-wheel drive, and complete breakdowns as early as 36,000 miles. These issues often arise just outside Ford's warranty period, leaving owners with hefty repair bills that can exceed thousands of dollars. Additionally, the vehicle's electronic systems have been flagged for frequent malfunctions, with drivers complaining about unresponsive touchscreens and faulty sensors. The Escape's low reliability score of 5 out of 100 from Consumer Reports reflects these significant shortcomings. While it may offer modern features and an attractive design, the frequent mechanical failures make it a car to avoid. For those seeking a dependable SUV, there are far better choices available on the market. Number 6. 2019 Audi A6. Luxury cars are often associated with reliability, but the 2019 Audi A6 bucks that trend. While its quattro all-wheel drive and elegant interior are impressive, the A6 is a nightmare when it comes to reliability. Alternator failures, excessive oil consumption, and even internal engine issues requiring a full replacement are common complaints. These problems are not only inconvenient, but also incredibly expensive to repair. For example, an alternator replacement alone can cost upwards of $1,500, and engine repairs often reach tens of thousands of dollars. Repair costs are exorbitant due to Audi's high parts and labor fees, which means even minor issues can turn into major expenses. Consumer Reports gave this luxury sedan a reliability score of just 20 out of 100, making it one of the least dependable luxury vehicles on the market. While its performance and comfort may be tempting, the potential for costly repairs makes the A6 a questionable investment. Number 5. 2013 Ford Focus. The 2013 Ford Focus is infamous for its unreliable power-shift dual-clutch transmission. Owners frequently experience jerky shifts, clutch failures, and expensive repairs between 30,000 and 60,000 miles. The transmission was designed to provide better fuel efficiency, but it has proven to be a major liability. Despite multiple recalls, Ford hasn't been able to resolve these problems effectively, leaving many owners frustrated. Additionally, the Focus has been criticized for its cramped interior and subpar build quality, which further detract from its appeal. Consumer Reports gave the Focus a dismal reliability score of 19 out of 100, making it one of the least dependable compact cars available. If you're considering a used Focus, it's best to think twice and explore more reliable alternatives. Number 4. 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. The 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid promised eco-friendly features but failed to deliver on reliability. Early battery failures often left it stuck in limp mode, requiring expensive repairs exceeding $6,000. Reports of charging ports catching fire added safety concerns, even prompting recalls. Frequent software crashes and delayed replacement parts further frustrated owners. With a reliability score of just 5 out of 100, this minivan is best avoided by families seeking dependability. Number 3. 2016 Nissan Altima. Nissan makes another appearance on this list with the 2016 Altima. Like its rogue sibling, the Altima's CVT is a ticking time bomb. Many owners report failure between 40,000 and 70,000 miles, often right after the warranty expires. The transmission starts with jerky shifts and strange noises before ultimately failing completely. Repair costs for the Altima's transmission often exceed $4,000, and the process can be time-consuming due to the complexity of the system. Beyond the transmission, owners have also reported problems with the car's suspension system, which can lead to uneven tire wear and poor handling. With a reliability score of 30 out of 100 from Consumer Reports, the Altima's issues make it a risky choice for anyone looking for a dependable midsize sedan. Number 2. 2021 Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban is an iconic SUV, but the 2021 model tarnishes its legacy. Under the hood lies a Chevy V8 with an active fuel management system designed for efficiency. However, the lifters in this system tend to fail, leading to severe engine misfires and even total engine failure. These issues often result in costly repairs and, in some cases, class action lawsuits. Owners have also reported issues with the vehicle's electronic systems, including unresponsive infotainment screens and malfunctioning driver assist features. Despite its history as a family favorite, the 2021 Suburban's reliability score of 7 out of 100 makes it a gamble. For those seeking a large, reliable SUV, it's best to consider other models that won't leave you stranded. Number 1. 2011 Nissan Rogue. The 2011 Nissan Rogue tops the list due to its infamous CVT transmission, known for overheating, flaring, and outright failure. Repairs often exceed $3,500, making it a costly burden. Owners also report frequent issues with air conditioning and electrical systems, adding to its unreliability. Despite its initial appeal as a budget-friendly SUV, its long-term maintenance costs make it a poor investment. Consumer Reports gives it a reliability score of just 30 out of 100, cementing its place as the least reliable car on our list. Love what you learned here? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with your car-loving friends. Stay tuned for more lists and tips to keep you on the road and out of the repair shop.